दिलीप जायसवाल इज विथ मी। दिलीप जी, आपके प्रदेश से आते हैं नितिन नवीन, आपके साथ काम भी किया, अभी बिहार चुनाव हुआ, बीजेपी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी बनी बिहार के अंदर। क्या ये सब फैक्टर्स रहे उनका बीजेपी के नए कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष बनने के?
निश्चित रूप से संगठन का एक लंबा अनुभव बहुत ही कम उम्र में नितिन नवीन जी को है और नितिन नवीन जी 45 वर्ष के युवा हैं। पूरे देश के अंदर एक संदेश गया है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी आने वाले समय में युवा और जैन जी को आगे बढ़ाकर और संगठन को धारदार बनाने का काम करेगा। अब 57 साल का युवा नहीं चलेगा, अब 45 वर्ष का युवा चलेगा इस देश में और ये संदेश पूरे देश में चला गया है। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के संगठन में नितिन नवीन जी को कम उम्र में ही लंबा अनुभव है। 4 बार के विधायक हैं, युवा मोर्चा के अंदर प्रदेश में भी वो अध्यक्ष रहे हैं, यहाँ महामंत्री रहे हैं, सिक्किम के प्रभारी, छत्तीसगढ़ के प्रभारी और कम उम्र में एक लंबा अनुभव उनको है। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक लंबा और गेम खेला है और एक संदेश दिया है युवाओं के बीच और इस देश के युवाओं के अंदर उत्सव का माहौल है।
सबसे पहले आपने नाम सुना, आपको भी अंदेशा नहीं रहा होगा कि नितिन नवीन बनेंगे जब, लेकिन नाम सुना आपने,
यही भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जहां पर एक साधारण कार्यकर्ता भी राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के कुर्सी पर आ सकते हैं। चांदी का चम्मच लेकर जन्म लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। जिस तरह सोने और चांदी का चम्मच लेकर के कुछ लोग जो है पिता के बाद पुत्र आते हैं, पिता के बाद पुत्री आते हैं, तो भाजपा जो है एक साधारण कार्यकर्ता को ये मौका देती है। और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा भी है कि इस देश के अंदर 4 ही वर्ग है, पहला है युवा, दूसरा महिला, तीसरा किसान और चौथा गरीब। तो महिला हमारे राष्ट्रपति महोदया हैं, किसान हमारे उपराष्ट्रपति महोदय हैं, गरीब हमारा प्रधानमंत्री है और युवा हमारा राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष है। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी का फॉर्मूला भी सही हुआ है। धन्यवाद।
जेनजी आपको लगता है कि जेनजी एक बड़ा फैक्टर रहा?
फतेह जैन जी का जो है नितिन नवीन जी के आने के बाद एक संदेश पूरे देश में चला गया है। मुझे कम से कम 50 फोन आए हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक लंबा लकीर खींच दिया और जैन जी और युवा के अंदर उत्साह दिया है। 45 वर्ष का दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा राजनीतिक दल का अध्यक्ष 45 वर्ष का युवा है, इससे बड़ा जैन जी के लिए खुशी की क्या बात हो सकती है?
That's what the BJP is now saying. We were speaking to the Bihar State President Dilip Jaiswal, and under his leadership, Anjali, what is more interesting here is that under the leadership of Dilip Jaiswal, Nitin Naveen fought elections. And remember that Dilip Jaiswal, who has also been made the minister in Bihar government, he has come here to congratulate Nitin Naveen. And this shows the true color, the true nature of BJP, that a small worker can become to such a large post, it can reach to such a large post, to higher post that no one can even imagine. Even Dilip Jaiswal, who was the president under whose leadership the elections were fought in Bihar by BJP, even he did not have idea that Nitin Naveen will become the national working president of BJP, and a man who is too young to hold such position. But yes, it is the BJP which is known for throwing surprises, and one more surprise has been thrown by BJP, where Nitin Naveen has been made as the new national working president of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Right, Piyush. Also interesting is what Dilip Jaiswal said to you about Yuva. You know, the definition of Yuva or youth in politics is extremely flexible. He said that it is a 45-year-old now, not a 57-year-old. If that was a jibe towards Rahul Gandhi, who I believe is 55-year-old, but if that was a jibe because there was a silver spoon mention as well and a father-son as well. So it seems that BJP is now all set to counter the youth appeal that Congress feels that Rahul Gandhi brings to Congress.
That's right. That's right. It was indeed a jibe at Rahul Gandhi, because BJP, has been attacking the leadership of Rahul Gandhi by saying that he is a leader who is being launched and relaunched by the Congress party, because they want to, ensure a fresh leadership, a youth leadership, a young leadership. But Rahul Gandhi is not getting success. So that was indeed a jibe at Rahul Gandhi by Dilip Jaiswal, where he said that a leader who has cross the age of 55 will not become the party president. But yes, a leader who is 45 years old will become the party president. And, a message not only to youth but also to Gen Z, the new generation, has been sent out by BJP, because he has to take forward the party for so many years in the coming few years. And that's what the message is also being sent out by Dilip Jaiswal, who himself is the party president from the state of Bihar. So this shows as to how BJP is trying its best to reach out to youth voters, to young voters, to ensure the maximum reach, and also to understand the concerns of the youth, and accordingly act in elections. Those are also to take place in upcoming few states.
Absolutely. And do stay with us, Piyush, as we quickly take our viewers through the visuals that we are showing to them currently on the screens. Stay with us. I'll be coming back to you for more analysis. We are bringing you visuals of the moment when Nitin Nabin set foot on the party headquarters ground. He was completely mobbed there. Senior leaders were there to welcome him. The first to present the bouquet was Piyush Goyal, the newly appointed Tamil Nadu election in charge. And amongst the other senior leaders who were present over there were also some workers who quickly mobbed him till his walk towards the senior leaders who were waiting for him. Waiting for him were JP Nadda, the current party national president, and Amit Shah, who welcomed him. There was a short meeting that happened behind closed doors, and after that he was led to the foyer where the bust of the two ideologues of BJP are installed. He paid his respects over there, and after that he was straight away taken to a room where he was felicitated by Amit Shah and the current party president, JP Nadda. And then he was made, as you see on your screen, he was helped onto the chair by JP Nadda, the chair that he will occupy as a working president, the chair that gives him the responsibility of shouldering the work of the party organization and the work of the elections, upcoming elections, along with the party president. The chair that has catapulted him from the position of a minister in a state to a national figure. The chair at the age of 45 has given him immense power within the party, and it is extremely important to understand how the party, the BJP, is, as Piyush was also telling us, making clear with a mark or a line that they are drawing, saying that the Yuva is now coming to the helm of the party. And they are taking a jibe at Rahul Gandhi. They are trying to say that in our party, it is a 45-year-old who is holding the reins of the party. Now let's listen to what exactly Nitin Nabin said when he spoke to India Today.
नितिन जी, बेहद भावुक करने वाला पल आज, क्योंकि वो दौर भी हमको याद है 2006 में जब पहली बार विधायक बने, और उसके बाद जिस तरह की परिस्थितियां रही लगातार आप जीतते आए।
मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि पिताजी का आशीर्वाद है, पार्टी ने एक विश्वास किया, कार्यकर्ताओं ने काम सिखाया, नेताओं ने मार्गदर्शन किया, और यही कारण है कि आज पिताजी के उस आशीर्वाद के बल पर 20 वर्ष बाद पार्टी आज यहाँ पहुँचाई है।
बड़ा उत्साह हम देख रहे हैं पार्टी के युवाओं में। उनको लगता है कि हर कोई नितिन नवीन हो सकता है।
मेरा कहना काम पे विश्वास करना चाहिए, शॉर्टकट से नहीं। और मेरा मानना है कि राजनीति धैर्य का काम है, धैर्य के साथ निरंतर काम करते रहिए, सफलता मिलती है।